It's a good turnout, gang. Like, it's getting busy out here, Scoob. With all kinds of ghosts and goblins and monsters. Go say hi, Rick. Let's go follow it.
It's like a bat.
Could be. I didn't know he's not. Think he sees us? You know he's looking towards you.
Okay, Tim, I'll put him on your shoulder, okay, Tim?
Sure, yeah.
Go blend in.
Should I say crikey, mate?
Get on him. One more. I guess one.
This is an African praying mantis, mate, or whatever it is. Turn off the music, sonny.
So fuzzy.
Isn't he the Persian one?
Well, why don't you touch him and see?
The wind knocked him down, did you see that?
It's like a fat pipe cleaner.
He has somewhere he has to go, apparently.
It's cute.
You gonna take candy and a toy?
Oh, there's a bracelet.
Or a Wonder Woman?
Huh?
You can take candy and a toy.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
look at it. What?
Are you selling stuffed animals?
No, they're free.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Free animals.
We're promoting our Halloween giveaway.
Well, I know what to do with these two so we don't lose them.
Oh yeah, see? Handy dandy. There's a slinky dog right there.
Where? This? He can stretch. And he can go and stretch. Cool.
Hey, Dad, can you stay right here real quick?
Yeah.
Candy and a toy.
That's it.
Oh, want to get a toy too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, there's another dog.
South Park guys here, huh?
Yeah, Cartman.
Which one?
Cartman?
Cartman, okay.
Yeah, Cartman. What do you want, Cartman? Let's do a Kit Kat.
Cartman could take a prize too.
Oh, do you want a prize? A stuffy? No?
We got the dancing hot dog. And a scary girl is gonna beat me up. You guys can take a candy and a toy. A couple toys.
How many?
Toys, set your own limit. We don't care. Can I take a picture of you looking through this? Thank you. We got Chuck E. Cheese here, folks.
What do you say?
Too bad I don't have the Munch plush. He's in the car, though.
Not dog.
Right?
Not dog.
Too bad he didn't bring the Munch plush. He's in the car, though.
Which one?
His friend, but we don't have. He's in a big bag by itself. Okay, thank you.
Take a piece.
Can I get a picture of you now?